Hi, I'm Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Mobile app test automation. As computing has taken significant steps forward, automation is one of the fields that has become more prominent in mobile testing. In this case, automated software is becoming a more useful part of the mobile and desktop testing space, with software doing repeated tasks independently of a human operator. In fact, this has been a significant benefit to the mobile app testing industry, with testers coding tests into mobile app automation testing platforms and receiving results quickly and easily. There is a range of automation software to choose from, each of which has its own benefits and supports testing processes in unique ways. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.